bit that time of year where we want to have a few new items and talk about some new stuff for next year. We've managed to get Fila to pull in a couple of items pre-Christmas. So people might remember this original Kelly Green Mars Kane 1 of 500 top. This is my own one. We've got it coming back in slightly deeper green, really, closer to perhaps the renowned Kelly Green. This was a washed out, relevant to the vintage. So again, coming back with a large badge. That's going to be on sale from Monday. It's going to be dispatched at some point next week. Another top landing with us from Fila next week, brought forward by them for us. Another exclusive, so a Fila with the multicoloured stripes on the front. Always does well. It's a slight amend to one we've done before. I can see people wanting to get this. If you're buying this early next week, it will get dispatched next week, so it can still be on the Christmas list. Last Turindas before Christmas, we've still got stock on the French blue and the grey, and you'll notice an extra tab has been added on the product. For every Turinda bought, there's going to be a free gift until they sort of run out. We're going to be doing a free little book of casuals with each Turinda, so you'll see that on the site. In the new year, after Christmas, the final Turinda launch of the year is going to be this tan coloured Turinda, which we think is looking pretty sharp. It's definitely far more of a fashion colour, obviously not an original colour. It's the first we've ever done in this colour, so looking good. There's going to be more videos going up between now and the new year when we start getting samples in of stock landing in the new year. Expect some new arrivals from Sergio and perhaps some restocks as well on some bestsellers. Look out for more videos.